BSLK stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Bolt Projects holdings absolutely went crazy this last week. Friday was not the best because it was 46% down, but the whole week wise like 100% up. If it was not up to Friday, we would have been up like a decent 200%, to 280, almost 300. But since here the price just kept melting, I was at first like very open to continue and double up on this high time frame, where the price actually gave me the rules, and then the next day, within a snap of a finger, pre-market was here, boom, then we just came down. Let me show you the before, because this was like right here when this video was made. It was like a 5-minute idea, right? Yeah, there you go, 5-minute idea. And after the price came, almost took the highs out and then delivered. So that's the sick part. So since we've done this, what's next exactly? It's not the first time that we're seeing some crazy, like, outsized freaking moves like this, but we're technically still inside this demand, so I'm only really going to be bullish if I see a double break. If not, everything is noise. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.